Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Nichols. Um, I'm here to show you around Discord, what you can do on Discord. It's gonna be real quick, about as quick as I showed you in the announcement video. You can see here that there's a home screen for everybody. So right now you can see that I've sent direct messages to Magnus Baraka. He's my one friend. And then I have a server for each one of my classes that's gonna have a server. The 1302 classes I have, I've actually separated it out to the regular track, freshman college, 1302, and then the dual credit students. I felt like that was a good idea just for, I don't know, legal purposes. If I got like little chat environments that I've set up, that just didn't seem like the best idea. So it tells me I can learn about my server, but I'm more interested in like what other people can learn about. People like Magnus Baraka who just have an account here. Essentially what will happen is I'm going to send out invites. And the way the invites are set up, like if I invite people, you'll see like they have a timer on them. I can make them where they last forever, but I don't know how to cancel those invites once I've done that. I'm not sure I can, so I'm not going to mess with that. So as people request them, I wish I could do a week. A week would be a great amount of time, but it'd only do like a day. What you do is you click the invite. It'll then have you sign up for an account. There's a couple of options. You can download the program for the computer. You can download the app for your phone, depending on where you click the link. Either way, you'll have the account. But also you can just use this as a web client. Like you can use it on the web. It'll take you to just the website, I guess. But if you do download the program, it works a lot faster, from what I understand. This is a very low resource chat environment, and the whole point is so that you can talk to me, so that you can talk to each other, and I think that's actually more important. So you have an environment where you can talk to each other. There's also these little areas that I have where there's a welcome area. I'm going to try to put like an intro video first. That way you're watching this, then you come here. Because this is just a bunch of like me telling you about it, which I'm about to do right now. So it's got more detail, but you may want less detail just to get started. There's rules, and the main rule I'm talking about is don't be inappropriate, be kind. And then I want your nickname in some way to show who you are. Like I'm Chris Nichols, PJC. This is Magnus Baraka. It's very easy to see who each one is. I don't know, first initial, last initial, something like that I can tell you. This is announcements areas for me, updates. If I want to post memes or funny stuff, if I want to post serious stuff like coronavirus stuff. Then there are the text channels where people talk to each other. And I have this example that I'm probably going to leave up where it's Magnus Baraka saying, hey, telling me he has a question. So he put an @ symbol in for my name, and it lets him pick me. I said, sure, Magnus, what's up? Having trouble coming with a research topic. And I said, I'll help you with that, but hey, why don't we go talk about some research topic ideas? That way it can be there. Because I've got little areas set up for different things. And then he's being a jerk. But there's a general text area. We can talk about really anything to do with the class. There's questions and help, where you can go and you can chat here if you have questions and help about stuff. If it's specifically topic ideas for the research paper, though, I'd like for you to come here. And y'all can talk about to each other like topic ideas. I'll come in there at time to time and check and say, oh no, that won't work. Like if you somebody says, I want to do Tiger King and talk about like do a paper about Carol killed her husband. Like no, that's a conspiracy theory. That's where the controversy is truth. I don't want that. Nor do I want that in 2 papers either. That is not a ruled issue. So don't mess with it. But any other questions and help, like, hey, I'm having a little launch pad, come here. Other people might have had the exact same problem. So sometimes it's better to ask other people than it is to ask me. Like I seem like I would be the authority figure on stuff, but the collective knowledge of all of us when it comes to this kind of thing sometimes is better than the individual knowledge of me. Then there's a suggestions area. And thanks to Magnus Baraka, we're all getting this Discord because he said be more available to my students. That's what I'm trying to do. And then student chat, that's just where you guys can talk. And I'm not going to try to come in here very often. I still wouldn't come in here and like insult me openly though. Y'all can do that in the DMs. Do the best that I can. But memes, we just want to post memes to each other. That's fine. I might remove posts if I say it's not meme worthy. Like there's no actual memes going on, or somebody tries to say something serious. I'll say, go over there. And there's a voice channel ring here. So Magnus Baraka would say, he would @ me. And like what you do is just kind of go @. You can say everyone, but please don't do that very often. or here in this room. But Magnus Baraka, I could add him and say, I want him to come to the voice channel so I can talk to him if he wants to come over there. And what the voice channel is when you click in, you hear that little noise. I'm in now. Anybody else who is in the voice channel can talk on the voice channel. Now, I'm probably not going to do this very much, like right now is at night. Y'all can talk all you want, and sometimes I might even listen in. I don't know. But you can see that you can mute yourself, you can deafen yourself so you actually don't hear anybody else. And then you can sometimes go live. I'm the only one who can do that, though. So that's if you want to talk through voice. Voice is enough for some people. Other people are like, I really need a little bit more hands-on. So like with Magnus Baraka, I might say, and you can do this as each other too. You can actually DM each other. You can message directly. If you decide you like that person enough, you can actually add them as a friend, or you can invite them to a different server. You can also block them, like if they're being really annoying. I'd hope that nobody's using this as this is not Tinder, so please nobody do that. But with Magnus Baraka here in a DM environment, not only can I start a voice call, but I can actually start a video call. And in starting a video call, I don't just do video. I might actually be able to even share my screen. Honestly, I've worked with Zoom a little bit. You can see there's Zoom, the window. And Zoom for chat environments like video chat, I think it actually works better. And it's more fun. I mean, there's reactions and stuff, but I mean, just the seamlessness of it, and you can do multiple people. I don't know. You can set up a free account there. You can do it through a computer, though. I think you can also do it through a phone app. So it's pretty useful. It's going to tell me I can't minimize. Stupid. I can flip it, though. So video chat's also an option here, but I think that Zoom would work better for those of you who want to do that. And I'm also open to doing Zoom with you guys if you need to see a face while you talk, and the same can be true with me. Even if people wanted to like discuss literature or discuss assignments, we could do that and then record it and make it available. That would be helpful as well. But this is just the Discord for right now, and you'll start probably here or on a thing that says, hey, here's a video you can watch, and that's it. So I'll be sending out the invites, and you can accept the invites, come in here and start talking to each other. I might not be doing a lot of talking tonight because I'm very tired. It's midnight. But I understand a lot of you now at home, since you don't really have to wake up or go to sleep at any certain time. You're up till all those hours of the night. So please be civil. I don't want to have to ban people immediately, which I have the power to do as the, I don't know what I call it, the admin, the person who owns the server. I don't know. But I can kick and ban people. So make sure you behave yourselves. And you can customize your invites and notifications and stuff by going over here to your account and your settings. I can do my settings here and change my nickname, my profile, my mention, whatever. That's it. Best of luck with this. I hope it works out well for you.